ब्यूटीफुल। हमारे दोस्त आए हैं आज़रबाईजान से, हमारा दोस्त मुल्क, और ये आए हैं कहाँ? कराची आर्ट्स काउंसिल में, जहाँ वर्ल्ड कल्चरल फेस्टिवल पूरी रंगारंगी के साथ जारी है। दुनिया भर की सकाफतें एक ही मकाम पे हैं। तो आज हमने अपने इस शो में वी हैव सीन द होल वर्ल्ड कमिंग सादिया। हमारे साथ यूएसए से लेके अफ्रीका और दीगर रीजन्स, सदर्न यूरोप,
Azerbaijan,
so Europe and even South America. So आज we thought कि why not invite someone from our own region. तो हमारा ब्रदर मुल्क आज़रबाईजान और आज़रबाईजान से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले साहब पाशाज़ादे हमारे साथ आज मौजूद हैं। साहब अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Assalamu alaikum.
Very good morning.
Good morning. Good
It
morning.
was wonderful to listen to tar.
Tar,
Right?
yes. Thank you so
Or
much.
in Pakistan we call tar. Tar means wire, and I think this is
String.
the same for
Yes,
tar.
string.
Right.
String in meaning.
Can I ask a little about this instrument?
Azerbaijan tar. Firstly, I wanted to thank you for inviting
Pleasure,
me.
pleasure all
Thank you
ours.
so much.
It's
And
all
I
ours.
want to greet all of Pakistani and Karachi's people.
Thank you so much for coming to Pakistan.
Thank you so much. And tar is main of Azerbaijan traditional instrument, and which has included a heritage of UNESCO, list of UNESCO by Haydar Aliyev Foundation, government of Azerbaijan in 2012 year. And this is a main of Azerbaijan instrument, traditional instrument, also as a solo and also accompanied instrument. There is 11 strings, 22 chords, 22 chords, and first time in history, Azerbaijan, a great famous tar player in 160 years ago, actually, Sadıkjan, Mirza Sadık, he's created Azerbaijan tar. Before Sadıkjan, tar played as a desk position. He has changed tar position. Well, now
Upright, more on the chest.
All
on the
right.
chest.
So earlier was it played like guitar?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
No, not guitar, because it was before that tar was more than bigger, and played as a tar. And he's created Azerbaijan tar, shape of smaller, and he add more 5 additional strings. Now it's 11 strings, and shape and change positions.
Yes,
that we said. Between musicians under the soul. So that we played. And also tar is this 3 octave diapason. We played Azerbaijan mugham, Azerbaijan traditional music in Pakistani, Hindustani raga, and Azerbaijan mugham, traditional music.
Okay, the rags are the mugham.
It's professional but traditional music, mugham.
Can I hold it? I really want it. Can I hold your instrument? Can I hold your instrument? Yeah. Because I want to show it to the viewers as well. What is this? What is this element beneath, and what is this?
This is incrustation, Mazov Torul.
All right.
Mazov Torul. It's for better sound. Better sound.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So ये जो let me translate it for the viewers as well.
Yeah.
So साहब पाशाज़ादे जो अज़रबैजान के म्यूजिशियन हैं, और ये वहाँ का national जो है इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, इसको ताज कहते हैं। यूनेस्को हेरिटेज में ये शामिल है, और इसकी आपने मधुर धुनें जो हैं सुनी हैं। लेट्स टॉक अ बिट मोर अबाउट पाकिस्तान. Pashazade, there's a good brethren relationship between the two countries.
Exactly.
Right? So how are you finding Pakistan, and how is the Pakistani music? How do you find Pakistani music?
Have you been able to gel in,
jam
with
in
the Pakistani musicians at the same time?
We had a lot of jam in around world. In Uzbekistan, in China, I was in many festivals, and I had a collaboration and also jam session with many Pakistani musicians, and with setar, with singer, with Gavali music, with sometimes I played Maskalandar and different music.
Oh wow!
Yes,
You have played the
I played Maskalandar with famous musicians and singers. So I love Pakistan, and you know, it's relationships between Azerbaijan and Pakistan now. It's very respect and very love. So we appreciate and love each other, nations and people. So also, I'm here in World Karachi second time, because last year it was first festival, and they invited us with my drum player, my friend with my drum player Kamran Karimov. He's also he's for headache.
That's all right.
That's why he didn't come.
Can we request
you to play some Pakistani
Dammas
music?
Kalandar?
If not Dammas Kalandar, but then anything Pakistani. as you like. All right, here we go.
I played Julayla. Julayla, Pakistani song. I played in Islamabad.
Okay, go on.
Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely
This
wonderful.
song I played in Islamabad with a different singer. She's voice, and I accompanied her. I remember it's 7 years ago. It was.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
Wow.
in Islamabad.
Have you so far been able to taste something from Karachi, like Pakistani food? Because Azerbaijani food is way different than what
Thank you
we,
so much.
our food tastes like, you know.
Yeah, I like all kind of food. I'm a little bit picky, but I won't taste it everything. So last year I tasted Pakistani pilaf, Pakistani rice, Pakistani kebab, so sweet gulab jamul, gulab jamul. So it's a little bit spicy for me, but I like spicy. In Azerbaijan, in Turkish people also eat spicy. So
Yes.
for us, it's kind
Acceptable.
of yes, exactly. And there is hospitality, there is open heart people. So I'm here as a brother countries, so we love each other, but talking about music, about food, about connection, about culture. So a lot of kind of
What do you feel is the significance of World Cultural Festival? Because obviously there is a representation from over 100 countries over here.
Exactly.
And I am sure you have been able to meet a lot of musicians from different countries, have played with them. So what do you feel is the significance of being in Pakistan for World Cultural Festival?
Actually, I think it's big event, big music holiday for every country, because when festival is organizing, inviting, the festival bring a lot of cultures, a lot of nations, a lot of music together, theater, exhibitions, etc. So I had the connections with Rwanda, with Nepal, with many countries. After that, they invited me and my friend to Rwanda, to different countries, to different
Rwanda.
festivals. Yes, exactly. I had a lot of connection from festival, and also festival is organizing wonderful. I want to thank the President of Art
All
Council,
right.
Mr.
Okay, we are coming to the closing of the segment. Just one last piece from
Last
your
piece?
side. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much for
It's a
inviting
pleasure.
us.
It's
It's
a
a pleasure to
pleasure.
host you. And meanwhile, हम आपको कहेंगे बाय. आपसे मुलाकात होगी अब हमारी पीर को. तब तक के लिए आप सुनिएगा. हम भी करते हैं enjoy. आप भी करिए.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।